Yes guys, welcome back to my channel, Jamaican Cuisine with a Twist. It's your boy Ken Rai. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel if you are not yet, and if you are a subscriber, welcome back. Thank you for joining me again. Today I'll be doing a video showing you guys how to make beetroot juice from scratch naturally. So guys, follow me. Alright guys, I am making some beetroot today. Beetroot juice. So I'm slicing my beetroot, right? Dicing my beetroot. Nice dice. Yep. Very nice dices. So that it's easy to blend, because me personally not going to boil these beetroots. Natural. Dice them and blend them. Natural. No boiling. As you can see, with the ginger. So yes guys, then we're going to add some ginger. Alright, some nice ginger. Some ginger for go with the beetroot. Just that way, no milk, just ginger and beetroot. Alright. Alright guys. So yes guys, now we go to the next level. Me, I'm using a bullet. We're gonna bullet it. We don't want to have too much inside. Then we have the water here. Nice. Come on. Don't do that. Okay. Good. Come in with our jug. So okay guys, we're gonna add a little sweetener, which we use cane sugar in this one. Good, very good. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend that Jamaican Cuisine is in the house doing great Jamaican cuisine on his channel. So follow, subscribe, do the right thing. Thank you guys for watching again, and peace out.